For Mama? Can you get your little ball for Mommy? Are you going to throw me the ball? Thank you. Good girl. Can you throw me the little ball? Can you throw me the little ball, Cassandra? Can you throw me the little ball? You just want to give Pooh Bear a hug? You're very funny. Cassandra, how do you juggle? Do you need help? That's a girl. Good girl. Good girl. Can you throw me the ball? Thank you. Cassandra, what does the duck say? Quack, quack. Good girl. Good riding your lion. Today is August the 13th. Say hello, Cassandra. Hi. Good girl.